You want to know the secret that made billions of dollars to Warren Buffett? Keep watching this video. So, how do you think Warren Buffett has become one of the richest men in this world? So, we are going to break it into step-by-step manner in this video. So, without any ado, let's go to step 1. Let's start with a quote for step 1. Buy when other people are fearful and sell when other people are greedy. This is one of the important quotes you should remember whenever you are trading or investing. To understand this quote, let's see an example. Let us take Sun TV as our example. It has 39 crores outstanding shares. Let us consider one dot as 1 lakh shares. That means to make up 39 crore shares, we just need 3,900 dots, which may look like this. On an average day, total number of shares sold and bought in Sun TV is around 6 lakhs. That means only 6 dots has been sold and bought. Other remaining 3,894 dots has been kept constant. So this means these 6 dots doesn't determine the value of the company. It just determines the short-term price change. So listen carefully, it determines only the short-term price change. So what factors affect the value of the company? To know about that, let's take 2G scam which happened in 2011. At that time, 2 crore people has came in one single day to sell their shares. That means 200 dots in that previous example has changed its value. This causes the sudden drop in the share price, which is trading at 450 rupees that has been given at 250 rupees in a single day. This is when Buffett and other intelligent investors come in and get their shares at very cheap price. So you understood the first part of the quote. Buy the shares when people are fearful. Then after 2 years, what happened? The Sun TV shares has raised to 700 rupees. This means at 2011, if you have bought the Sun TV shares at 250 rupees, you would have made a profit more than 100% return in just 2-year period. That gives the way to the second part of the quote. Sell when people are greedy. That means whenever people are greedy, the prices increases so much. In layman terms, we can simplify the quote to buy at low and sell at high. So the first step of the Warren Buffett strategy revolves around this concept. Buy at low, sell at high. When we go to the second step of Warren Buffett strategy, the company must know the people. That is, it must create a habit in the people's life. That means they must buy the product again and again and again. For example, if we take the Sun TV, how do you think the shares has been raised to 700 rupees again? Because it created a habit in people's life by creating the serials, which created a habit in people's life to watch at 7 p.m. this serial every day. That means the ad company will give Sun TV much more amount, so more profit. This is why habit is very much important. Another example, let's take Coca-Cola, which is one of the best stock in the world. How do you think it has won? Because of the sugar addiction it causes in the people to buy it again and again for the sugar craving in the Coca-Cola. There are many more products in this world that create habits in people's life. The main and always flourishing ones are tobacco and liquor. So it is always a good investment to be in tobacco and liquor because always the people are going to buy it, always the share price is going to increase. Before taking step to investing in tobacco and liquor, if you like this video until here, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. Let's go to step number 3, which is most important of all these steps. So let's see what it is. This step is really tough, but you need to be patient to achieve anything in your life. That resembles in Warren Buffett's life too. He was patient until 57 years. He invested the profits again and again. At 57 only, he has become a billionaire. That means he has made his first $1 billion at the age of 57. But now, at the age of 91, he is having more than 70 billion. So your growth will be exponential. At the starting phase, It will be very slow. You need to be more patient at the starting stage so that you can reap the rewards at the later stage of your life. I personally love this quote. No matter how talented you are, how grateful you are, you can't make a baby in 1 month. This is one of the best quote I have ever read. So success takes time. Be patient. I'll give you some 3 bonus tips. The bonus tip number 1 is don't buy things you don't want. Then you need to sell the things that you need. So spend the money wisely so that you can reach the success steps easily. Have a clear definition about success. That means you need to understand really what you want in life. So if you have a clear vision, you will get to that very easily. Then tip number 3, that is very simple. Assess the risk to reward ratio. What reward are you going to get for the risk you have took? Generally, lower risk, lower reward. Higher risk, higher reward. So always analyze the probability and statistics that how successful your risk will be towards the reward. So to recap this full video, the 3 steps to be followed to become Warren Buffett are: first, buy at low and sell at high. The second thing is buy the shares that creates a long-term habit in people's life. The third one is be patient so that you can achieve anything in this world. People always overestimate what they can do in a day, whereas they underestimate what they can do in a year. This quote applies everywhere. So don't overestimate yourself that you can become a billionaire in just a day. It takes years and years of hardship from you. So be patient and click the subscribe button down there so that you will become a billionaire very soon. Just kidding. Go watch our fundamental analysis of stock market playlist, which is just right here, so that you get a clear knowledge about the stock market. And lastly, comment down your thoughts and questions.